Since you've been super healthy lately and para hindi natin matigil yung pag-healthy mo, I'm making you a meat-free balls, soba noodles with curry sauce, and lagyan ko ng shiitake mushrooms. And bell peppers for flavor and color. Super quick lang talaga. Kasi what you guys do, pag nagluto kayo, i-ready nyo. I-mise en place mo. I pre-cooked na the soba noodles. Any soba noodles, I just chose the brown one. Then I have here some curry cubes. You get them in any Japanese grocery or sa mga Korean grocery, meron rin minsan. Or your leading supermarket sa mga Asian section. Dagdagan pala natin ito ng onions. Mas masarap ako yung onions. Red onions. Roughly chopping the red onions. Tapos gigisa ko lang siya para mabango. Okay. So, oil. Gigisahin ko yung red onions para mas mabango. In the pan. Kahit na hindi pa masyado mainit, okay lang. Then it's just gonna slowly sizzle. Yeah. So yun. Yung onions na nagpapaluha sa'yo. Then, red bell peppers. We'll add our meat-free balls from Veega. I-sear natin ng konti para mas tostado yung labas ng ating meatballs or meat-free balls. Busin ko na tong isang pakete. 8 pieces. Yeah, mas maganda lang talaga siya pag may sear yung outer layer. Ganyan. A little bit of water. Then I will add this fried mushroom. Some curry. And let it melt and cook away. And the mushrooms, the bell pepper, the onions are all incorporating. Smells great, right?
It does. It smells really good.
Mamaya tikman natin.
This is actually a vegetarian product. It's not a vegan product because it still contains eggs. But it's still meat-free.
Right.
So it's relatively healthy.
Yeah. To bind the protein together, I guess you need the eggs.
Yeah, but this is actually really delicious. So I'm excited.
I think the mushroom also will complement the meat-free balls. Medyo yung aking mise en place, medyo trying to be Japanese, organized, and purposeful. Kasi yung gusto ko lang magkaroon pa ng konting color, so I finished it off in the oven with a pan. Always na pinasok mo sa oven, lagyan mo ng basahan kasi mahahawakan talaga yan no matter what. So yan, ilang beses na nangyari sa akin yan. Actually kanina when I was cooking eggs. Anyway, noodles. Whoa, muntik na. Okay. Sauce first. No, wait. I'm gonna lift the meat-free balls first. I'm going to top the sauce over. You can smell it, no?
It smells good.
I actually tasted it earlier. Sarap. Hindi tayo nabibitin sa sangkap neto Then for added color, let's add some coriander. Maganda rin dito spring onions. Pwede rin dito sesame seeds. Bango ng coriander. Since Japanese, so let's add a little bit of nori flakes. Ganun lang guys. Dito natin ilagay sa gilid para hindi masira yung presentation. Then, because we love garlic, just a little bit. Well, actually, maganda talaga sana sesame seeds kasi lang wala yung sesame seeds. So there you go, guys. Our Veega meat-free balls with curry soba noodles and then nori flakes on the side. And Long. Nice. It's like eating good food na hindi ka nagigilty. The sauce is nice. Nagbagal siya with the meatballs. You guys try it. Did you like it?
I super liked it. It feels really healthy also because it's plant-based. So mostly they use wheat, soy, and mushrooms. So this is like a meat substitute talaga.
When you say kasi meatballs, parang okay, let's make a, you know, like a bolognese or like something Western. Maganda rin siya pang Japanese, or I was thinking earlier, pwede rin siya pang soup if you want. Yung application niya ang dami. So yeah, I mean, I would like to have this always in my freezer. Since na mawala ako for a few days or weeks, gagawa na kita ng pre-cooked food. And since you're having a good streak with your healthy life and healthy way of eating, I will be making you meat-free sausage pasta.
Pero carbs yan eh.
Ay, didamihan ko yung sausage.
Okay.
Tapos, so baliktarin natin. Yung ratio this time is more sausage, less carbs.
Okay.
Alright, so let's start.
Deal.
Okay. Pan, oil, olive oil, para healthy. Malamig-lamig pa yan. The garlic, slowly cook the garlic. Some nice tomatoes. I'm gonna bruno on the tomatoes and lulutuin ko rin dyan. So I guess, almost like an oil-based. So yung magdadala ng lasa nito is the garlic, the tomatoes, fresh basil. And ganun.
Sorry, what did you say?
Brunoise.
What is that?
Parang ganito. It's a French term for basically slice like this. Tomatoes in.
So talagang nag-cooking school ka.
Nakinig ako.
Wow.
Oh. Hindi na pala kailangan kutsilyo kasi easy. Ano yung tawag? Easy.
Easy open.
Easy open.
Okay, so hindi ka nahinig sa other school mo.
Ubusin ko na lahat para marami kang baon. Sausage. Then, yung stem ng basil, hindi ko itatapon kasi may lasa pa to eh. Then, lalagay ko dito. Should we slice these guys? Let's go like that. What we're doing is we're sort of like confit the tomatoes and garlic and with the basil stem. And lagyan natin na ng ating Veega sausage or meat-free sausage. Para ma-incorporate yung lasa ng sausage into the tomatoes, garlic, and basil. I'd say 5 to 8 minutes. Now let's add the pasta.
Huwag masyadong marami.
Tama. Ganun lang. Sure ka? O, dagdagan ko ba?
Hindi. Pwede na yan.
Toss them and some garlic chips kasi garlic chips.
What kind of garlic chips are those?
Crunchy garlic chips. Finish it off with some. When you cook oil-based pasta, finish it off with, towards the end, finish it off with a nice extra virgin olive oil. This is garlic flavor. Paubos na, so ubusin ko na lang. Okay. Tama ka nga. Mas maganda konting pasta lang. These chips. Then, some basil. Your hands lang. Ganun lang. Thick yung feel. Some cheese pa. Parang sarap. Alright, let's give it a taste. Pwede.
What can you say?
It's nice. The oil and the sausage and the garlic and kamatis. You have to try it. Para maniwala ko sa akin. Yep.
Okay, I'll try it now.